He can sit with me. I mean, I got a lap.
4th of July.
Does she want to come down?
From a cliff.
You have to take my beer. Well, you have to take my beer.
If it's not... You ever see that footage of like fireworks factories getting caught on fire?
Oh yeah.
So awesome. Love the rocket role playing it.
I know, dude. Like what is a fire department doing? Like, it looks like suction.
No, that's good.
No. We're not going in there.
There's nothing they can't do.
That'll be good for Facebook, Tyler.
They just go into session like that?
Oh, dude,
Yeah,
right.
it is a ship, but there's some kind of...
Oh, man. Dude, they got there. It's always like
Traveling upstream. Tyler's gonna ask, hey, what is baby's supposed to do? Right there. Fireworks, yeah. That's what it looks like.
So many mortars. I can't even like...
We've been here for what? 45 minutes?
Yeah, we've been here for a while now.
Imagine the
And then it's continually light off mortars.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Like 100 plus people down there have had to spend...
100 people would buy 100 mortars.
There's probably more people than that.
Well, there was probably 100 plus